Welcome back to another video by Naomithebosss. If you came back to my channel, then I appreciate you. If you're new, subscribe.
Subscribe. Whoa. So in today's video, if you read the title, then you already know what I'm going to be doing today and showing you guys. So if you want to achieve this look, real bouncy curls with no heat whatsoever, just a little bit of spritz, a little comb, and some bobby pins, then keep on watching. You're going to need some bobby pins. And you're going to need some spray also. Let's not forget the comb. We're going to need to part our hair, a hair tie to grab the rest of our hair, and a bonnet to cover it up. Alright, so boom, as you can see here, I'm parting my hair into small sections. Now I'm going to grab the hair that I want to start working with and tie the rest of the hair up. Obviously, like there. Alright, so don't ask me why, but I usually start from the back, so I preferred to skip that part out and just show you guys from the, from the point you guys could see. So what I did was I grabbed my spritz spray and I sprayed it onto the hair that I'm going to be working with. I parted it in two, and now I'm just basically like just doing like the little crisscross with it, like just twisting. You can see here, it's not that hard to, you see, yeah, like that. That's what I'm doing right there. So I'm going to keep on doing that. And then when I get to my tips, that little piece of hair, yeah, fix that real quick. Hold on, wait a minute. Boop, 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 boop. All right, you know what? Forget it. So, with my tips, I'm going to spray some spritz spray just to make it a little more harder so they don't be, spiky and not really curled up like that. So, I'm going to keep on twisting to the bottom, take it to the bottom. And then I'm going to roll it up. I'm going to twist it around. Boop, you see? Oh, yeah, right there, like that, like that. Like that. You see? Yeah. And then we're going to grab a bobby pin and pin it down because you got to pin it down like the rest of them are. And these are called bantu knots if you guys didn't know. Well, now you know. Okay? This is how they should look. And boop. Now, before I wrap it up, I want to put some spritz spray and just spray it all over just to make them a little bit more harder. Then I'm finna throw my bonnet on. And I'm finna go night-night. Like, night-night. I look mad cute. That was some good lighting too.
I'm such a cutie patootie.
Alright, so after you stepped on your bantu knots for the 24 hours, now you're just basically going to unscrew them and just stretch your curls out, open them up, fluff them up, make it look cute, style it up, style it down, however you want, sideways, backwards, front. Now remember that all hair types might come out a little different. My hair has some heat damage to it, so my hair is not as curly as it can possibly be. So here I'm going to show you the front curl and how it came out. Look at that bounce. Ooh, okay, I see you. We looking good. Girl, yes, uncurl it. Show the girls what we giving them. We serving bounce, okay?
So as I finish unwinding these bantu knots, and I'm really loving how they came out. Like, it's just so cute. Just give me a moment to film myself real quick. I'm about to change the lighting a few times on you guys and show you what I'm wearing. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, spray. Oh, spray down. Yeah. Tame them edges. Tame them!
For the final step, I'm going to tame these edges with some Gorilla Snot because my hair cannot be tamed with no edge control, honey. I'm sorry.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this.
Subscribe to my channel, because if you're not subscribed, then what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Let me know in the comments below how I did, if you like my technique. But I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Once I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway.
Whoever wants to join my giveaway, but I'm going to be releasing a video soon on the details for that. So you you could join. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it and come back next Friday for some more.